Alright, well, on this How to Cook, I'm going to teach you what not to do. And what not to do is eat shrimp that looks suspect. Okay, this is a frozen bag of shrimp from the grocery store. You buy it in the freezer. Those are like 1624 extra jumbo shrimp. They've been frozen the whole time. I don't think they were. As soon as they thawed out, they turned to mush. Skewered them anyways and cooked them, and they're shredding into tiny little pieces. I figured I'd try one and eat a little piece. I put a little piece in my mouth. It's horribly wrong. Okay. One thing about cooking is you have to know when to throw in the towel. And when you have bad shrimp, please don't eat it. Okay. I'm just don't know if I have to tell you that, but don't eat bad shrimp. So on this How to Cook, we're not eating bad shrimp. But there's supposed to be shrimp tacos. There's a whole bunch of other fun stuff. Maybe I'll throw the video together and show you all the things you would do if you were making shrimp tacos, but that is not edible shrimp. Thanks, the world, because you suck. Oh well, I'm gonna drink a beer and figure out something else to eat. So, thanks for joining me on this How to Cook. That was a quick one. So, we'll join you on the next one. And cheers to you wherever you are. God help us all. Alright, I'm out of here. Bye. So, had this been an actual video about how to make shrimp tacos, I'd have been showing you things like how to make the cabbage slaw, which is the red onion, the green cabbage, and red cabbage. I'd be showing you how to cut the cabbage and how to do all this stuff and get the core out of it, and then slice it thin along that way, you know, like so that you get the nice shreds and the whole thing. And I'd be showing you that red cabbage is actually a little bit harder to cut through. It's a little bit denser, so you got to give it a little extra push there. And you know, I'd show you how to take the core out of the red cabbage and how to slice that. Things like that, and then have a big bowl handy so that we can put all this in the bowl. And I'd show you, you know, like get all the scraps there, and then you got to put some sort of a dressing on it, and lime is fantastic. So I'd, you know, show you how to juice a lime to put it in there, and then stir it all up and make sure that it's ready to go. I'd show you that, but, you know, since it's not a shrimp taco video, I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to show you about putting the Cajun seasoning on the shrimp. They're on the skewers so they can go on the grill. I'm not going to show you how to put them on the grill and do all that stuff because this isn't a shrimp taco episode. You know, we're not doing that. I'm not going to show you how to flip them over when they're halfway done and how to throw the tortillas on the grill to get them nice and warm. Because again, this isn't a shrimp taco episode. I wouldn't waste your time by showing you stuff like this. If this was an actual shrimp taco episode, maybe, you know. But it isn't. So, you know, you'll just have to imagine I was showing you how to do all those things. But, you know, maybe next time I'll get some good shrimp and then I'll show you how to do all that stuff. But until then, you know, it's just nice hanging out, you know, just kind of, you know, shooting the breeze a little bit and everything. And, you know, I wish I could show you how amazing grilled flour tortillas are. But, no. See, at this point, I would still have hope that this would still be shrimp. I would still think, hey, maybe this is going to be shrimp. I'd be like, hey, you know what? I'm going to get my tortilla warmer out because I want to get these tortillas to be amazing. By the way, if you don't have a tortilla warmer, you should get one of those. If you eat as many tacos as I do, they're great. Now, if this is a shrimp taco episode, I'd be showing you how to get the shrimp off the skewers and not have them shred to pieces, but these shrimp are not going to respond well, so why would I show you that? That doesn't make any sense. I wouldn't show you them just completely shredding to pieces for some reason, like I've never seen shrimp ever do. No, I wouldn't waste your time with that. That's silly. Come on, you don't need to see me take all the shrimp off the skewer, do you? No. You wouldn't stick around for that. I mean, who would? That's ridiculous. I definitely wouldn't show you this part. I'd be more willing to eat that one if it didn't have a giant poop shoot on it. Let me see. That's not good shrimp. That's not good shrimp at all. That is not good shrimp. Can you give me a beer? That'd be huge. That is not good shrimp. Wow. Captain's log, supplemental. If you ever see manager special sticker on something, don't buy that. It means it's gone bad. And they're supposed to throw it away, but they have like an hour before it really goes bad. So maybe some sucker will come buy it for half off. Today I was that sucker. And we got bad shrimp. Live and learn, people. Live and learn.